Alright, here we're at idle. Let's see if we can grab this sound or capture it. Here we go.